Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video I will show you how to install the ClipTV application on your Hisense smart TV. This is very easy. If you find the video helpful, please make sure you like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So this is my Hisense smart TV, and if I want to install the ClipTV app, here's exactly what I'll do. The first thing is to locate my video app store. Here's it over here, and I launch it. Please follow attentively. So once I locate and launch my video app store, what I will do is I can browse through manually to find the app. But the easiest thing to do is just to go over to the search button and type in a keyword to search for the application, which in this case I'm just going to type in Clip TV. So just type in Clip TV here. Then type in Clip or even just Clip TV and search. So as you search, here's the application over here. Just click on it and it's going to launch the installation page on the official Vida Hisense store. And here's it over here. Now what I have to do here is just install it, and the application is going to be installed to my Hisense smart TV. Now here I just choose where I want to place it, and then I'm good to go. Now the application is installed and you can go ahead and launch it and start using it on your Hisense smart TV.